Hello student, we are going to see the biodiversity and its significance. As you know the definition of biodiversity, biodiversity is defined as a variety of life of animals is known as the biodiversity, and another definition of this biodiversity is it is a branch of biology that deals with the study of variety of plant and animal life is known as the biodiversity. Bio means life and diversity means variety. So that the variety of life which are going to study in the biodiversity. So there is another one important topics in the biodiversity. Already we have seen in last lecture. There are three types of the biodiversity: the ecosystem biodiversity, then genetic biodiversity, and species biodiversity. Okay, now the another topic is there for discussion: the biodiversity and its significance. The biodiversity is the abbreviated word for the biological diversity. Bio means for living organisms and diversity means variety. Thus, biodiversity is the total variety of life on our planet. There is a biomes, there is a plant, animal, microorganisms, germs, or there are many type of the microscopic animals which are come under the variety of life. The total number of races, varieties and species, the sum of total of various types, that is microbes, plants and animals, producers, consumers and decomposers, is a pyramid of the biodiversity in a system. The biomes can be considered the life zones, environment with similar climatic, topographic and soil conditions and roughly comparable biological communities. Example, grassland forest, the biome shelter, an astounding variety of living organisms. From driest desert to dripping rainforest, from highest mountain to deepest ocean trenches, life occurs in a marvelous spectrum of size, shape, color and interrelationship. The variety of living organisms, the biodiversity makes the world beautiful, and there are 1.4 million species known presently. But based on new discoveries by research expeditions, mainly in tropics, taxonomists estimate there are between 3 to 50 million different species may be alive today. Insects make up more than one half of all known species and may comprise more than 90% of all species on the earth. So in the ecological life of support, the biodiversity provides the functioning ecosystems that supply oxygen, clean air, water, pollination of plants, pest control, wastewater treatment and many ecosystem services. Recreationally, the many recreational pursuits rely on our unique biodiversity, such as the bird watching, hiking, camping, and fishing activities. And the another one significance of biodiversity is the amount of variety of life on earth. It is the number of different species of plants, animal and microorganisms. Increase ecosystem productivity. Each species in an ecosystem has a specific niche, a role to play, support a larger number of plant species and therefore a greater variety of crops. The concept of this biodiversity may be analyzed in different levels. They are ecosystem, species and genetic diversity. The ecosystem or ecological diversity means the richness and complexity of a biological community, including the topic levels, ecological processes which capture energy, food webs, and material recycling. The species diversity describes the number of kinds of organisms within individual communities or ecosystem. And the genetic diversity is a measure of the variety of versions of same gene within the individual species. The biodiversity hotspots is most of the world biodiversity are near the equator species, tropical rainforest and coral reefs, and coral reefs. Of all the world species, only 10 to 15% live in North America and Europe. The Malaysian peninsula, for instance, has at least 8,000 species of flowering plants, while Britain, with an area twice as large, has only 1,400 species. South America has 2 lakh species of plants. Areas isolated by water, desert or mountain can also have high concentration of unique species and biodiversity. In the New Zealand, South Africa, California are all mid-latitude, and area isolated by the barriers that prevent the mixing of biological communities from other regions and produce rich unusual collection of species. So the main significance of this biodiversity is there are 10 class. The important to humans for ecological life support. Biodiversity gives a functioning ecosystem that provides oxygen, clear air and water, plant pollution, pest control, wastewater treatment, lots of ecosystem services, and the species are found 3 million to 100 million on the earth. So this significance of biodiversity is the biodiversity is must for the stability and proper functioning of the biosphere. Besides this, biodiversity is so important due to having consumptive use values, productive use values, social values, ethical values, and the aesthetics values. See, the consumptive use values means these values they are used for temporary consumption of the biodiversity, animals and microbes to use their pharmaceuticals, the medicinal purposes. Then the social values, we have to use the social values of this biodiversity. For example, you can say the skin of the tiger, the teeth of the bear, and the horns of the deer. It can be used for the ornamental purpose, and this ornamental purpose it can be proper use for the social activities. The benefits of biodiversity is we benefit from other organisms in many ways. Even insignificant organisms can play irreplaceable roles in ecological system or the source of genes or drugs that someday become indispensable. The food, many wild plant species could make important contributions to human food suppliers either as they are or as a source of material to improve domestic crops. About 80,000 edible plants could be used by the humans. Then drugs and medicine. Living organism provides many useful drugs and medicine. The United Nations Development Program derived from developing world plants, animals and microbes to be more than 30 billion per year. Example for natural medicinal products. There are many natural medicinal products we can take and produce from these plants and animals. Then penicillin, fungus is the source, antibiotics, quinine, the cinchona bark, malaria treatment, morphine, poppy bark, analgesic. 20 years before, once the drugs were not introduced, childhood leukemia was fatal. Now the remission rate for childhood leukemia is 99%, and the ecological benefits of the human life is inextricably linked to ecological services provided by other organisms, and the soil formation, waste disposal, air and water purification, solar energy absorption, nutrient cycling and food production all depend on biodiversity in many environments. High density may help biological communities to withstand environmental stress better and to recover more quickly than those with fewer species. So that is all the biodiversity is important, and concept of this significance conservation of biodiversity is to protect the plant, animal, microbial and genetic resources for food production, agriculture and ecosystem functions such as the fertilizing the soil, recycling nutrients, regulating pest and disease, controlling erosion and pollinating crops and trees, etc. So that this biodiversity is important for the resources and the significance.